Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is regarding auto invest feature on Binance. Free auto invest trial plan you can see on Binance feed, and instead of always trying to time the market, auto invest buys crypto for you over time at set intervals. I'm repeating this again, sorry. Instead of always trying to time the market, auto invest buys crypto for you over time at set intervals. So you don't have to worry about the timing of entry and timing of exit. You can trade with the help of auto invest. Okay, so stress-free investing is recommended in auto invest. Auto invest uses DCA, that is dollar cost averaging, to help you accumulate your crypto wealth over time. Pick a coin or multiple coins, set your plan to buy crypto every day, week or month while you relax and spend less time on the charts. You don't have to worry about where are the charts leading you, where are the candles leading you, what is the market trend, downtrend, uptrend, bearish or bullish. Forget about it. Just pick a coin or multiple coins, that is portfolio, and you set a plan to buy crypto every day, week or month. You can set your investment weekly, monthly or even daily. That daily you set such amount to invest, recurring investment daily, weekly or monthly, to add up or compound your profit, to make most out of autopilot crypto trading, that is auto invest feature in Binance. Start today, create the auto invest plan and grow your crypto on autopilot. Always read disclaimer of every product of Binance. This disclaimer: cryptocurrency prices and returns may be subject to high market risk and price volatility. Cryptocurrency prices and returns may be subject to high market risk and price volatility. They are highly volatile. Seek independent financial advice. I am repeating it again. Seek independent financial advice before investing or trading. I have explained what is investing, what is trading, what is the difference of investing and trading versus investing on my YouTube channel. You can check the links in the description of all 2-3 videos. Further details can be found in the terms of use and risk warning. Now we have to get started with auto invest. New auto invest updates are fiat currencies are now supported. You can auto invest fiat currencies also, US dollar, GBP, JPY and all other countries fiat currencies. More tokens and stable coins available. Transaction price history, faster transactions. Try the new index-linked auto invest plan. We will make another short video on what is index-linked. So this is auto invest dashboard. You have single token on first tab, portfolio on second tab, and index-linked in third tab. So let's explain what is index linked. Binance CMC cryptocurrency top 10 equal weighted index. Use dollar cost averaging, that is DCA. We have already learned DCA strategy, and buy the same set of assets in the index on a recurring basis. This is beginner friendly. If you are beginner, you can try index link rather starting single token or portfolio. These are equally weighted, 10 equally weighted index, approx 80% of total market cap. Monthly rebalancing, they can rebalance your assets. Monthly rebalancing, you can see 1.1% in 24 hours. 1.1% is a good ratio, that is more than 30% a month, 1128.8. So we can subscribe here to auto invest index linked by choosing these purchase methods. Please choose a purchase method: one time purchase or recurring purchase. So I will recommend recurring purchases. You can create a plan in index linked from this page on auto invest Binance feature. Binance CMC cryptocurrencies, beginner friendly and broad market exposure. You can check constituents, that is BTC 10%, BNB 10%, Cardano 10%, Solana 10%, Litecoin 10%, Ethereum 10%, Ripple 10%, Polygon Matic 10%, Polkadot 10%, and TRX 10%. This tells you how important these 10 indexes are. Top cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Binance Coin, BNB, Cardano, Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Polygon Matic, Polkadot, and Tron TRX. So these are the top currencies in Binance. So you can also make an individual portfolio rather than auto invest yourself by investing by you can diversify your portfolio 10% each in these coins if you have a good equity. For example, if you have almost 100,000 USDT, you can invest 10% in each of these coins, and you can select recurring cycle daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, depending upon how much asset you want to generate with your principal or equity. You can repeat on the selected time. Your first auto invest cycle will begin on 22nd May 2023 at 30 minutes later. If we select this time, we can add here another time, 19, 20. Summary. This is the summary what you are gonna create. You can create 22nd May 16:30. Amount per period 100,000 USDT. First auto invest date is 22 May 2023, and you can choose it monthly. If you have good asset of $100,000 and you can invest every month $100,000, you can put in crypto auto invest plan. So you have to read and agree to Binance auto invest agreement. Here is this agreement. We can open this agreement here, so we can also read this agreement and make sure that we are not making any mistake before investing in auto invest. Auto invest terms of use: A, instructions. Go through these instructions in your own Binance. Number 2, your auto invest instruction. Number 2, part A, undertake auto invest transactions in accordance with your specified plan, and B, deduct auto invest fees from your spot account or as otherwise set out in these terms. Part C, to convert fiat currency to digital assets in accordance with the convert terms of use in order to undertake auto invest transaction. Third point, digital assets held to the credit of your spot account, fiat currency, or your eligible simple earn assets. So auto invest is related to simple earn, will be used to acquire auto invest assets in accordance with your auto invest instructions. So auto invest is relevant to simple earn. Number 4, your auto invest instructions continue until they are amended or cancelled in accordance with the AI term auto invest terms. Part B of these instructions: auto invest transactions unless otherwise specified on the platform. With all auto invest transactions, source auto invest assets using convert services except where Binance does not fulfill a convert market order within a reasonable time after it is placed. In these circumstances, you authorize Binance to source digital assets from Binance liquidity pools. Number 6, Binance has no obligations to ensure that you have purchased digital assets using the best available USD exchange rate. If you do not have sufficient digital assets or fiat currency in your spot account or the eligible simple earned assets to complete an auto invest transaction, Binance will not undertake the auto invest transaction in part or in full. Notwithstanding the preceding sentence, your auto invest instruction will continue and Binance will attempt to complete the next scheduled auto invest transaction in accordance with your specified plan. ये पार्ट बी का 7 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर आपके पास एसेट्स या इक्विटी नहीं है यूएसडीटी में तो ये कंटिन्यू नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट जो आपने मंथ में डेट दी हुई है या वीक में या डे में, उस पर जाके दोबारा ये ट्राई करेगा Binance. सी, फीस. इसका पार्ट नंबर 8, auto invest fees arising from auto invest transactions are the amount and percentages shown in the auto invest purchase summary and history and are charged in the auto invest currency. Binance may change these fees from time to time and will communicate changes by updating the purchase summary and history. For auto invest index link fees, please refer to clause 34. We can check the 34. There are too many clauses, so we are skipping this and directly moving to 34. What is in 34? Because we are index link service, we are using index link services. So here is the 34th point, clause 34. You acknowledge that when you rebalance your auto invest index linked account, digital assets will be sourced from the exchange and the rebalancing period may be over several hours. You are authorized Binance to purchase digital assets through markets order from the exchange using TWAP. These fees incurred for rebalancing will be automatically calculated and made available to you in your rebalancing history. The Binance spot terms and conditions apply to your purchases of digital assets when rebalancing. Then we will skip this for you to read yourself these terms and these instructions. And now back to Binance Auto Invest. So this comprises our auto invest feature from Simple Earn in Binance. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. So we will continue next tutorial from Binance. Take care. Your servant leader and trainer, growth mindset coach SAK Hachi from SAK Coaching.